Thank you so much for joining us today. Would you please tell us your name and your relationship to the Padnos College of Engineering Co-op program?
My name is John Hall. I'm the president of Advanced Medical Device Innovations. We are an engineering services organization and company that helps our clients with product design and development, product testing and evaluation, and 3D printing. Relationship that we have with the Padnos College of Engineering Co-op program has a long history of that. Even though we just spun out as a private company last year, we've worked with Grand Valley's co-op program for quite a number of years, and typically we hire 1 or 2 co-op students every semester.
Great. So,
as I've been with Advanced Medical Device Innovations, just going on 6-7 years.
Sure.
And we've probably had a dozen or so co-op students throughout that time period.
Great. So what role do you specifically play in the co-op experience for students of Grand Valley?
So our company is a small organization, and so I'm the direct supervisor and mentor for all of our co-op students. I have 25 plus years experience in the medical device business and industry. And so I, directly mentor them and guide them, through their co-op experience with us.
Great. So, what would you say that mentorship or that supervisory role kind of entails for you, like a day to day?
So, we have a very open office and lab environment at aMDI, and that's great because it allows very naturally occurring observation and interactions and discussions, frequently throughout the day. So that's a really nice aspect of it because a lot of questions come up whenever you're working on a design or a test or trying to figure, a challenge out in a project. So that's a great opportunity for us to interact in that way on a day-to-day basis. Our team also has weekly meetings where our whole company gets together and gives the co-op students an opportunity to present, to our internal team, all of the, an update on their project that they're doing and any challenges that they're having. And then they also get to participate in any troubleshooting or helping to figure out problems that other, team members are having.
Great. So what are some of the benefits that you have personally received out of your experience working with the co-op students?
Well, our organization again is a small organization, so the co-op students make up a very integral and important part of our workforce, and they bring a lot of great value to our client projects. So their energy and enthusiasm, translates right into the quality of product that we provide for our clients.
Great. So how do you think that the co-op experience benefits students?
Well, the students, I think they get, an opportunity to jump right in, and work on real world problems that have, definitive goals and timelines and budgets. And it gives them that opportunity to work with multidisciplinary teams that likely will involve non-engineers as well as people that are outside of our company. So it gives them that confidence in experience of working on a team like that to achieve the goals and what the objectives of their project are.
Great. And how do you think that it benefits employers? You mentioned that specifically at aMDI you guys consider the co-op students to be an integral part of your workforce. Do you feel that greatly benefits you guys and maybe puts you above some other companies that may not employ the co-op students?
Well, I definitely think that it gives us a good advantage, and it's a great opportunity for the students as well. And one of the things that is also a mission of aMDI is in addition to providing high quality engineering services to our clients, we have a mission of also helping to train and mentor the next generation of engineers. And as part of that, our organization typically takes on more co-op students than we anticipate having room to hire as full-time employees after they're finished with their education. And it's rewarding for us to see aMDI alumni, going out and working and excelling and being successful at other companies, due at least in part into their time and experiences that they had at aMDI.
Great. So John, how would you say that the co-op program helps these students develop some technical and professional skills?
Sure. Our co-op students, really learn very quickly our processes and the required attention to detail that's necessary for working in a regulated industry like medical devices. All of our co-op students learn to operate, troubleshoot, and design for the additive manufacturing equipment that we have within our lab, which includes 3 industrial level printers, including a large format, high temperature polymer melt extrusion system, as well as a metal melt extrusion system and a liquid photopolymer or resin printer. In addition to that, since our organization is smaller, the second and third co-op rotation students typically get an opportunity to train and mentor even some of the younger first semester co-op students, and that gives them a little taste of some management and mentoring opportunity that they may not typically get elsewhere. And then also our students, as they progress through their 3 co-op rotations with us, they get more and more responsibility and take on more of a leadership role within leading a project team, leading a project and project management for our client projects.
Great. So would you say that the co-op program at Grand Valley gives these students a leg up when entering the workforce?
I definitely think it gives them a huge leg up, to have a real-world work experience that is extensive as a 3 co-op or 3 semester work experience. And it also is beneficial to them because they understand more clearly while they're still going through school, what work is going to be like once they finish their degree and are out, working as an engineer in their profession.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations on being named the Supervisor of the Year. So that's a huge honor, I'm sure, and we thank you for all the support that you give to our students. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you very much.